Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share who won in my giveaway. I had the video up a couple weeks ago. It was a haul video, and I just put a little hashtag up there, hashtag giveaway. If you've seen it, then you knew what to do, which you were supposed to go over to my friend Gloria's channel and subscribe. And some people were already subscribed, which I knew that, and some went over and subscribed. Anyways, so I am going to show who won the video right about now. Yes, Ebony of Sharing More, it is you, and here is what you won. Please just let me know that you've seen this video down in the comments, and I will get this out to you. I believe I still have your address. If not, I will contact you probably on Instagram, but I think I still have your address. So I'll go ahead and get your winnings out to you. Not sure if it'll be this week because we are leaving out of town tomorrow. So I will probably get it out first thing next week. All right, so that is all I have for you. Congratulations, Ebony. And like I said, I'll have this out to you. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You'll have a blessed and crafty day.